Are you wondering if you can use two SIM cards on your iPhone Air? So yep, I have some great news. So even though the iPhone Air actually does not receive physical SIM card slot, we can actually still use two SIM cards at the same time on this phone, but of course not physical SIM cards. And the SIM card we can use obviously is a eSIM. So we can simply go in the mobile service, and you see you currently have your SIM card. So I have the SIM card one already installed, and you can actually install and use two eSIMs at the same time on this phone. So you see, if we click add eSIM here, you will simply need like a QR code or also like activation code, so that you can scan. Basically, the activation code might look something like this essentially, so like a long address and also like a code there. So you see, you can simply click use QR code or also other options. So, and then basically you simply have to point your camera basically on this QR code. So I won't do that as I do not want to activate it basically, but also you can click over here to enter details manually. So again, you would simply like type in basically the details shown there over here, and then basically once you press OK, the SIM card will actually get activated, and then you'll be able to use two SIM cards at the same time. So also if you click basically on these SIM cards, so you can also manage all the stuff here. Okay. Anyway, good luck.